Are you ready to embark on a transformative journey towards a healthier and happier you? This journey is not just about losing weight, it's about embracing a new lifestyle that will bring you joy and fulfillment. Losing 7 kilograms in 30 days is an ambitious goal that requires dedication and a smart approach. It's about making consistent, small changes that add up to big results over time. But don't worry, it's completely achievable without resorting to extreme diets or spending countless hours at the gym. You can enjoy delicious, nutritious meals and find fun, engaging ways to stay active. This comprehensive plan will guide you every step of the way, providing you with the tools and knowledge you need to succeed. From meal planning to workout routines, we've got you covered. We'll focus on making sustainable lifestyle changes that will not only help you shed those extra kilos, but also improve your overall well-being. These changes will become a natural part of your daily routine. Remember, this is not just about fitting into a smaller dress size. It's about feeling your best from the inside out. It's about nurturing your body and mind. It's about boosting your energy levels, improving your sleep, and gaining confidence in your own skin. Imagine waking up each day feeling refreshed and ready to take on the world. So, if you're ready to take control of your health and transform your body, let's get started. Together, we will make this journey enjoyable and rewarding. You've heard it before, and you'll hear it again. You can't out-train a bad diet. No matter how hard you work out, if your diet is poor, your results will be limited. When it comes to losing weight and maintaining a healthy lifestyle, nutrition is the cornerstone of your success. It's not just about cutting calories, it's about making smarter choices. Forget about restrictive fad diets that leave you feeling deprived and miserable. These diets are often unsustainable and can lead to a cycle of yo-yo dieting. Instead, we're going to focus on nourishing your body with whole, unprocessed foods that will fuel your workouts and keep you feeling satisfied. Think of food as fuel for your body. Fruits and vegetables should be your new best friends. They are low in calories but high in essential nutrients. Packed with essential vitamins, minerals, and fiber, they'll keep your digestive system running smoothly and provide a steady release of energy throughout the day. Incorporate a variety of colors to get a range of nutrients. Lean proteins such as chicken, fish, beans, and lentils are crucial for building and repairing muscle tissue. They are the building blocks of your body. They also help you feel fuller for longer, reducing cravings and preventing overeating. Eating protein with every meal can help stabilize your blood sugar levels. Finally, don't forget about healthy fats found in avocados, nuts, and olive oil. These fats are not only delicious but also essential for your body. These fats are essential for hormone production and overall health. They help absorb fat-soluble vitamins and provide long-lasting energy. Now that you understand the principles of a healthy diet, let's put it into practice with some delicious and easy-to-follow meal ideas. Remember, these are just suggestions. Feel free to adjust them to your liking and dietary needs. Oatmeal with berries and a handful of nuts. Scrambled eggs with spinach and whole wheat toast. Greek yogurt with fruit and a drizzle of honey. Grilled chicken salad with mixed greens and a light vinaigrette. Lentil soup with a side of whole grain bread. Tuna salad sandwich on whole wheat bread. Baked salmon with roasted vegetables. Chicken stir fry with brown rice. Vegetarian chili with a dollop of Greek yogurt. Remember to listen to your body and eat when you're hungry. Don't be afraid to snack between meals if needed, opting for healthy options like fruits, vegetables, or a handful of nuts. Water is essential for life, and it plays a crucial role in weight loss. Staying properly hydrated helps to boost your metabolism, suppress your appetite, and flush out toxins from your body. Aim to drink at least 8 glasses of water throughout the day. Carry a reusable water bottle with you and sip on it regularly. You can also opt for herbal teas or infused water with slices of lemon, cucumber, or mint for a refreshing twist. Avoid sugary drinks like soda, juice, and sports drinks, as they are loaded with empty calories that can sabotage your weight loss efforts. Remember, every sip counts, so make hydration a top priority. Section 5. High-intensity training, short bursts, big results. Now that we've covered the importance of nutrition and hydration, let's move on to the fitness aspect of our plan. Nutrition and hydration lay the foundation, but it's the exercise that really brings everything together. High-intensity interval training, or HIIT, has gained immense popularity in recent years, and for good reason. This form of exercise is not only efficient but also incredibly effective. It's a highly effective way to burn calories, boost your metabolism, and improve your cardiovascular health in a short amount of time. Unlike traditional steady-state cardio, HIIT keeps your heart rate up and burns more fat in less time. HIIT workouts typically involve short bursts of intense exercise, followed by brief periods of rest or active recovery. These intervals can be tailored to fit your fitness level and goals. This type of training pushes your body to its limits, leading to greater calorie expenditure both during and after your workout. The afterburn effect, known as excess post-exercise oxygen consumption, EPOC, means you continue to burn calories even after you've finished exercising. Here's an example of a simple HIIT workout you can do at home. No fancy equipment needed. Start with a 5-minute warm-up of light cardio, such as jogging in place or jumping jacks. This helps to get your blood flowing and prepares your muscles for the intense workout ahead. Then, move on to the workout 30 seconds of burpees, a full-body exercise that targets multiple muscle groups, followed by 15 seconds of rest. This brief rest period allows you to catch your breath and prepare for the next burst of activity. Repeat this for 8 rounds. It may sound simple, but it's incredibly challenging and effective. Finally, cool down with 5 minutes of stretching. This helps to reduce muscle soreness and improve flexibility. You can adjust the intensity and duration of your HIIT workouts based on your fitness level. Whether you're a beginner or an advanced athlete, HIIT can be customized to meet your needs. Start slowly and gradually increase the challenge as you get stronger. Consistency is key, and over time, you'll see significant improvements in your fitness and overall health. Section 6. Aerobic exercise, keeping your metabolism fired up. While HIIT workouts are great for short bursts of energy expenditure, aerobic exercise is equally important for overall health and weight management. Aerobic exercise, also known as cardio, helps to strengthen your heart and lungs, improve your cardiovascular health, and burn calories. Aim for at least 150 minutes of moderate intensity aerobic exercise or 75 minutes of vigorous intensity aerobic exercise per week. You can choose activities you enjoy, such as brisk walking, running, swimming, cycling, or dancing. Section 7. Strength training, sculpting your dream physique. Strength training is often overlooked in weight loss journeys, but it's a crucial component for building lean muscle mass, boosting your metabolism, and sculpting a toned physique. When you lift weights, you create tiny tears in your muscle fibers. As these fibers repair themselves, they become stronger and more defined. And the more muscle mass you have, the more calories you burn at rest. Aim to incorporate strength training exercises that target all major muscle groups at least 2 to 3 times per week. You can use weights, resistance bands, or your own body weight for resistance. Section 8. The importance of sleep. Rest for maximum results. Sleep is often neglected, but it's just as important as nutrition and exercise when it comes to weight loss and overall health. When you don't get enough sleep, your body produces more of the stress hormone cortisol, which can lead to increased fat storage, particularly around the abdominal area. Lack of sleep can also disrupt your hunger hormones, leading to increased cravings and overeating. Aim for 7 to 8 hours of quality sleep each night. Establish a relaxing bedtime routine. Avoid caffeine and alcohol before bed, and create a cool, dark, and quiet sleep environment. Section 9. Intermittent fasting, an optional boost for weight loss. Intermittent fasting has gained popularity as a weight loss tool in recent years. It involves cycling between periods of eating and fasting, rather than restricting specific foods. While it can be an effective way to reduce calorie intake and promote weight loss, it's not for everyone. If you're considering intermittent fasting, it's essential to consult with your doctor or a registered dietitian to determine if it's right for you. They can help you determine a safe and effective fasting schedule based on your individual needs and health status. Section 10. Track your progress, fuel your motivation. Tracking your progress is essential for staying motivated and making adjustments to your plan as needed. While the number on the scale can be a helpful indicator, it's important to remember that it doesn't tell the whole story. Focus on how you feel, how your clothes fit, and your overall energy levels. Take progress photos, measurements, and track your body composition to get a more comprehensive picture of your transformation. Celebrate your successes along the way, no matter how small they may seem. Every positive change you make is a step in the right direction. Surround yourself with a supportive network of friends, family, or a weight loss group to help you stay on track and motivated. Section 11. You've got this. Embrace the journey to a healthier you. Congratulations on taking the first step towards a healthier and happier you. Remember, this is not a quick fix or a temporary solution. It's about making sustainable lifestyle changes that will benefit you for years to come. Embrace the journey, be kind to yourself, and celebrate every victory along the way. You've got this. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more fitness and nutrition tips. Share this video with your friends, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on any future uploads. Now go out there and make it happen.